With the AutoCAD Mobile app, you're able to draft or update drawings by taking accurately measured dimensions straight from your Leica disto. It's as simple as taking measurements like you normally would, and you'll find your drawing is automatically updated. Let's get started. On your tablet or phone, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then, open up the AutoCAD Mobile app and go to your drawing. Tap on the wand at the top. You can also go to the Drawing Settings menu. Tap on the name Disto. The status message will switch once you're connected. Next, open your toolbar and select Draw Polyline. Draw a line. And measure the first distance with the disto. The distance will now appear right in your dimension box. Now, proceed to the next capture point. Tap on the drawing to indicate the direction of the next segment of the polyline. Use the disto to measure the next segment. Once again, the drawing will update to reflect the real-world measurements taken with the disto. Continue this process until all measurements have been taken. The AutoCAD Mobile app and Leica Disto make it easy to add real-world dimensions to your projects and floor plans. And the best part is how quickly and accurately it works. Download the app today and get measuring right away.